I'm making aloo bhaja, that is potato fries, and roti. And I speak Bengali because I am part Bengali from my maternal side. And that's the tea. And yeah, these were the chips which were left from the bhajias I was making yesterday, so I decided to use them today. And this is my husband's lunch brunch. I'm so irritated. I got up late again at 2:30 and I'm so irritated. I don't know what's happening. Is it happening with you guys too? Are you all guys just sleeping, or are you all just following your daily routine? It would be nice to know. What do you want, Georgie? Huh? What are you following me around everywhere? Huh? Georgie. Georgie. Georgie, why do you follow me around? What's happened to my voice? Why are you following me around everywhere? Georgie, aren't you feeling hot? It's so hot. Why are you following me around? Stop it. Hello, hello. Georgie. Monkey. मैं monkey. Okay, so it's all ready. All I have to do is add a bit of salt. I have a Himalayan salt here that we use. Usually this is paired with this chili, which is so spicy. I mean, I would think twice before having that. So I'm just giving him one. I guess aloo bhaja and ami tomake bhalobashi are the only two Bengali phrases and words my husband knows. Also, I better cover this because it's hot, and I'm going to cover this also because it's hot, because I'm going to get the birds out and I have to really be very careful. I'll be back once I give my husband his breakfast and lunch. It was hot in the kitchen. We are very hot, and yeah, so we are going for a bath, all of us. Hey, Pika, are we going for a bath? Oh, my room is echoing. Oh. Alex, say, oh. Hey, room is echoing. I realized it yesterday, you know, my Duke was barking in my room and my room was echoing for some reason. Hello. Hello. Can you see yourself? See yourself. Such a pretty bird you are. Say hello. When will you start talking? And my husband is watching TV loudly. Say, who's this? Say hello. Huh? Still biting mama. Still into biting mama. That's Pika. And he copies Pika. He copies Pika. You're copying Pika. Parrot? Copycat? Okay, so we're done having a bath, all fresh and nice. And that's why I just have a randomly covered bed. Because these birds keep on roaming around. So just in case they poop, it won't be a problem. You guys hanging around there. And my dogs are making so much noise. What are you guys doing? What are you... Duke, stop it. What are you doing? Why are you making so much noise? Huh? This is their food. And this is the water. And that's Pika. And that's Alex after their bath. So they're going to hang around there. And they have this entire window to themselves. I had made this for two because of my Max. My Max flew away. And I hope he's out somewhere saying peekaboo, peekaboo, flying around. And he's taught other birds also to say that. But yeah, this is how they are going to eat. They have that food and water, and whenever I will get the time to play with them, I will. So I'm in my bedroom today, not in my son's room, which I have occupied for now, because the AC in this room is not working, and my husband is not getting any sleep because it's too hot. So he's just grabbing some sleep in my room. I love my room. It's six. It's six. It's 6:51 now, and me and Nibbles were practicing. He was singing throughout the evening, and now we're just going to chill for some time, and then I will cook food. I still don't know what to cook. Can you give me any ideas? It all depends on what we've got, but by the grace of God, at least we have something. I'm just so worried about people out there, but all we can do is pray, and that's what I do. I pray for everybody that there should not be any shortage shortage of anything. Me and Nibbles are going to hang around for a bit. We haven't hung around in one whole day. Are you angry or you love me? I can't understand. By the way, I am one of those people who like to destroy people's name, like not people's, like mostly my animals, like nibbly, nibbu, nippy, nibbles, monkey. That's my favorite word, monkey. That doesn't even rhyme. Like monkey, I call all my favorite people monkey. Hello, little monkey. What do you want? What do you want? I gave you to eat, no, just now. See yourself. See. Hi. Can you see? This one can't see, I think. Can you see? Little bit. Because when I give her food in my hand, she searches for it. So. No, she can see, no, little bit. No. Duke, you don't look at my nibbles, huh? I'm telling you, I know you're looking at my nibbles. I know. You don't look at my nibbles. That's the reason I don't have the other ones outside. Because they fly amok. Nibbles will at least stick to me. And this Duke, I don't know. Once he almost ate up Pika, but I yelled so loudly he got scared. I just left her alone. Pika went and promptly landed on the ground, and this fellow came like hopping, almost ready to eat her. But I yelled so loudly that he got scared. My Georgie doesn't do anything. He's such a good boy. Georgie, you're a good boy. See, look at him already. Okay, so I'm heading out now because my mother has made fish curry for me, which is called machid jhal, and I'm going to collect that. And this mask also she made for me. Thank you, Mom. So I'm heading off down. Oh my gosh, the roads are so empty. Oh my god. I don't know when this is going to get over. This is crazy. The medical is open, and that's I think that's the Dudwala, and that other one is also another medical. Everything else is empty. So now this is how we are going to exchange things. This is the fish curry that my mama has made, and she doesn't want to be on camera right now, so I am not going to force that. Thanks, Ma.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Go home.
Yeah, I'm going. Everybody is sitting at home and praying. I don't know if you're going to catch this, but you can hear bells. Oh, I don't know till when this is going to go on, guys. I have installed a basin in our building with a soap wash, and I washed my hands already. That's one good initiative by our society. Hey Tyson, and this is Tyson, and Tyson also gets food every day. but we are not having any chicken nowadays. But poor guy, ah, yeah, he's having rice and eggs as well. What I give to my Duke and Georgie. Hi Tyson, how are you? I can't even pet you. So sad. He is really old and he has no way of getting food, and he's been getting food from me for years and years. Good, he's got the habit of coming up and eating, so that saves one problem, solves one problem. So I'm going to remove my chappals here. Hold on. Can you see noses? Ew. Can you see this? So that is soaking to be washed. And I washed my chappals because you know what? While I was coming walking, I saw, oh, the chappal is falling. I saw one of the gatekeepers spitting. I mean, when do people learn? They are still not learning. This is so irritating. So the first thing I did was I just washed these chappals and waiting for them to dry out so I can wear them with hot water. Can you hear that? That's the sound of silence. At this time of the night, it is so noisy. Today I'm all alone. Okay, I'm going to finish washing myself now. Done, but then not completely, because now I'm going to cook food and then there's going to be more bartan. So this is like a never-ending basket. We just keep on rolling it. Okay, so this is the machir chal that my mother has made for me, and I am going to enjoy with hot rice. And it is so delicious. It already looks so delicious. So a big thank you to my mom. I'm going to have a lovely meal. I'm also going to make a lovely meal for my husband, but this is exquisite. So I have made, this is the bhaji. This is the cabbage and chana dal bhaji. This is the tadka dal. This should suffice for tonight and tomorrow afternoon. So here I end my video. Thank you so much for watching, and be safe and stay at home. Bye. So this is food for Tyson, and whenever he is hungry, in the middle of the night he'll come and he'll eat.